I'm Kate, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a really straightforward project using Infusible ink sheets. We're going to make this really lovely wine bottle bag. So in Design Space I'm going to click on New Project to take me to a blank canvas. I'll click on Projects here on the left hand side, and then on the drop down All Categories section I'm going to click on Infusible ink here. And then I know that I would like to make a wine bag, so I'm going to type that in, and here are a few options for me to choose from. So I like this one here, so I'm just going to click on that project and then click on Make It. Because you always put Infusible ink sheets on a mat, I'll click on Mat and then Done. And here we go, the project is pretty much set up, ready to go. There's just one more thing I need to remember to do, and that is select Mirror over here. Next, I need to tell Design Space which material I'm using. So I'll click on Browse All Materials and then just start typing in Infusible ink over here. And there we go, Infusible ink transfer sheet. So I'm going to select that and click Done. And here it's reminding me to turn Mirror on and to put the fine point blade into clamp B. The next thing we need to do is put the Infusible ink sheet onto our green mat. I'm going to take off the protective cover. I've cut a piece of Infusible ink sheet, the one that I'd like to use, in a piece that is just the right size for my project. So I'll pop that down onto the mat, right side up in the top left-hand corner. So the inked side is facing up. I find that the brayer here is a really handy tool to make sure that there are no creases in the material and it's properly adhered to the mat. Then we just need to feed the mat into your Cricut machine. When your machine has finished cutting, it's time to remove the Infusible ink sheet from your mat. So as per usual, turn the mat over and peel the mat back from your project so that your project is left nice and flat all the time. Infusible ink sheets are really easy to weed. It sometimes helps to kind of roll it slightly and sort of crack the project a little bit like this. And then you can just start to peel it off in the areas of your project that you don't need. You may find that the weeding tool helps you remove any of the fiddly little bits that you can't pull off by yourself. There we go, the design is all weeded and ready to go. So next up we need to prepare the blank. So let's refer to the Cricut Heat Guide. We're using an Easy Press 2. The transfer material is Infusible ink transfer sheets, and then the base material is the wine bag. And I'm using the Cricut Easy Press mat. So I'll click Apply, and it says I need to preheat for 15 seconds at a temperature of 385 or 195, and I need to hold with light pressure for 60 seconds. As per the instructions on the heat guide, I'm just popping some card into my blank to make sure that the dye doesn't go through to the other side. Then I'm going to preheat for 15 seconds. I'm just going to use my lint roller and roll it over the surface of my blank to ensure that there aren't any stray bits of fluff or dirt on there. I'm positioning my blank so that this raised bit here with the drawstring in it is just off the edge, and that will mean that the Easy Press isn't raised up and I have a nice flat connection between the Easy Press and my blank on my whole project. I'll take my project and pop it, I think I'll do it on the diagonal, on my blank. It should stick down. If it doesn't, you can always use some heat resistant tape to hold it in place. We need to pop a layer of butcher paper over the top, like that, and then hold the Easy Press on, making sure that you're covering your whole project, and then press go. I'm applying light pressure and just making sure that it doesn't move at all. There we go, I can take the Easy Press off and pop it straight back into the cradle, and then I'll carefully remove the butcher paper. And I need to wait until my project has cooled down slightly, because at the moment it'll be really hot, so you just need to wait until it's still warm but not cool. Okay, when it's time you can peel off your design. Looks so brilliant, I love it. Here we go, doesn't that look great? What a lovely present that's going to make for somebody. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to check out our other videos for lots more project ideas, hints and tips. Bye bye.